Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint on Opensea. First, you need to understand that minting is the process of publishing your unique digital asset onto the blockchain as an NFT. Before you begin, ensure your digital artwork is finalized and you have all collection details ready. You will also need a compatible cryptocurrency wallet, such as MetaMask, connected to Opensea. Once your wallet is connected, head to the Create section on Opensea. Here, you'll upload your digital file, which could be an image, video, or audio. Give your NFT a clear, engaging name and consider adding an external link for more information. This helps potential buyers learn about your project and its unique value. Next, provide a comprehensive description for your NFT, highlighting its features and story. You can also add properties, levels, and stats to categorize and enhance its uniqueness. If your NFT includes exclusive content for the buyer, enable the unlockable content option. Remember to set explicit content warnings if necessary. Finally, select the blockchain for your NFT. Polygon is a popular choice for gas-free minting. Carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy before clicking Create. This action mints your NFT onto the blockchain, making it available for sale. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.